6.22, adding a reference to another view. That is like our table of contents in our documents. So this is in the structure of your views. You may also have such kind of this reference. So when you see our the a box or element showing in a view that has this top right this icon, that is not our ArchiMate element notation. It's our another reference view. So let's do this quickly. So I may create some empty view, but let's do that from our new model. So I can do this Control N. So that is the same. So reference view. With that name, then I will save as is the adding reference view. So that is the way is I may create something. So like this goal and the principal view. So goal and principal view. So without adding any element, I just add our this label. So this label, I may have our label expression. So I introduce that is you can use this view with this starting from dollar, then has the curly braces is the name. Then after that is you can have some like is I make the bigger, so 12. So that can show my view's name. So that is this one, and I duplicate so that can still have that, and I can make this the rename. So layered view in the left, continue. So just duplicate. Duplicate help me to put those title lines still there. So it's the business product view. Control D is the duplicate. So next one is I will use the shortcut service realization. I use Z. So Control D. So I got that F2. So that is quicker. So information structure view. Control D F2. So business function view. So naturally, it's, you may have many views. Is the business process view and organization structure view, and is the organization tree view. Here is the application behaviors view, application structure view. Last bottom is the technical infrastructure view. And then I have all those views is I want to have this ArchiSurance architecture view. So it's the let's see. So I instead of a code that is the ArchiSurance is let's duplicate that again is the enterprise architecture view. So now I have this one, and I made this as the actual the title, and I can starting to instead of this enterprise architecture is there. So I select all and unselect this one. So when you add these references, you just drag those views into your this view is the then that is coming to this kind of the reference. And then once you do that, is you can starting to make this kind of the layout, like is this is my goal and the principle, and in the left is now is I can put that is layered is in the left, so that is coming like this way, and the service realization, so is this one, so you can select this. Now this is the primary selection, then use the hold the control, select this one. The second one will be, or the latest select one will be the primary, and now you can use this one, the matching size. So the first one will matching the size to your second one. So that is our easier way, as I always use to help me is make the format is better. And the business product, so is business product is this one. So I may create that here, and then this one I made that bigger. And I have a 3-1. So this is the information structure. So so you can see it's like is you manage certain this the actual element. So business function. So it's this one. And this is organization structure. So like that. And I made them like this way, and I select those business process is this one, yeah, and the organization, so this one. So I made select this, then make the same, and the application behavior is like this, application structure. So select this, I make that is in the same height, and then I may drag that to align with bottom, then technology is this one. So you can see it's very easy. You can make something here. And what we will later on is to see the usage of that is let's look at this. So save. Its size is a shortcut that when double click open the link. So if I double click this one, it's come to here. And you can also put a reference like this here. So then that will double click, you can back. So that is from this way is you make some this navigation possibility. So that is double click is a very useful way, and you can also is I put that drag here, so I can double click back. So not always I have those one, but if I make it's this, let's see. So this I have this, you can see is the it's the two, but to me it's fine. So no matter where organization, this also this have this not. So I may have one with this bottom. So I have all of them is very such kind of this navigation enabled. So double click and you can jump to here, double click back and jump to here. So one thing is this is our convenient way is already within the this model is you can start to work on that. Another part is this repo. So if I repo to our HTML, then you can also see the effect of such kind of the navigation. So if I go to here, come to our working model from here, then this HTML. Then let me create our this reference view HTML. Select, then let's look at what is our model. Oh, it's already mentioned here, opened here. So open this view. So you can open this enterprise architecture. Now you don't need to do the double click because this is HTML is the support a single click now. So this is another way you can use those reference view the features. So we started we finished this the 6.22. So next one is we will talk about this band point. So see you then. Bye for now.